Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet, your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, one half of the talk show Talks Over Drinks, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, and right now at the moment, no shave, but you still make money from home. I want to thank you guys for following and liking and hopefully starting to comment on some of the little short videos. Just a little bit about myself. I love affiliate marketing. If you've seen any of my videos, then you understand that I believe that affiliate marketing is king. Right now, I'm just at home, working from home, doing my own thing, enjoying my life to the best of my ability, looking to help some people do the same for themselves and their own families and their friends, and whoever wants to, be involved and try to live their best life. I provide free training on affiliate marketing. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel. Check me out here on TikTok. Like, share, get those subscribers up for me so that I can make more content, reach more people, help more people. And that's how we doing it.